Stop. Put down that paintbrush and stop throwing things out because they're faded.
What if I told you you could have a factory finish in minutes without ever painting?
Hi, Bo Riles here for Rust-Oleum Recolor by Wipe New, the award-winning coating that's easier than paint. It wipes on in seconds.
Faded blues become brilliant. Dull reds become vibrant. Every color becomes deep and luscious.
And will stay that way because Recolor repels dirt, actually repels water.
And adds UV protection.
Advanced Wipe New technology works on any color, any finish, any hard surface.
Now watch how wine stains the untreated side, but runs right off the Recolor side. Amazing! Watch closely as I treat this vinyl siding.
The untreated area is immediately ruined by this permanent marker, but the Recolor repels the marker and wipes right off. There's no guessing. It perfectly matches the original color because it is the original color.
Just one wipe is all it takes.
It's fast, easy to use, and a little goes a long way.
So before you buy new lawn furniture, before you throw out that tired old mailbox or those ugly dull shutters, only Recolor will make things look brand new.
Now that's a factory finish.
Rust-Oleum Recolor brings new life to your home. Imagine, no prep work, no mess, no cleanup. Just a professional finish with no brush stroke.